Alaikum assalam. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Liana.
My name is Sadia.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
My father is Suman.
My father is Amun.
My mother is Lipi.
My mother is.
My father is housewife.
My father
My father
is a
is a driver.
My mother is a.
My mother is a housewife.
My father is a housewife.
My favorite is Bangla.
My favorite is Bangla.
এখন আমি পুরোটা বলবো, তুমি তারপরে বলবা। Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Liana. I am 6 years old. My baba
My name is.
my father is Suman. My mother is Lipi. My father is a driver. My mother is a housewife. My favorite subject is Bangla. এখন তুমি বলো।